Good day, everyone. I'm Anasuya Bujraj, here to discuss CariBank's plan to update its core banking system as the leading financial institution in the Caribbean. I have the honor of presenting key analysis and recommendations for this new system. CariBank must weigh the critical factors when acquiring a new system. Cost, number one. The bank's budget for obtaining a new system is crucial for purchase, customization, and system maintenance. Two, scalability. The system should be able to accommodate future developments and evolving banking requirements without necessarily implementing overhauls. Three, vendor reputation. This indicates the certifications, risk mitigations, stability, and reliability of the particular product or system. Four, regulatory compliance. Banks are mandated to follow laws and regulations that maintain the integrity of their business operations. Moreover, CariBank should consider whether it should develop the system in-house or purchase an off-the-shelf solution. The in-house system approach enables the software developers or the in-house team to create an IT system that meets the goals of the bank, promoting customization and flexibility for the user base. Conversely, the off-the-shelf allows the bank to purchase an IT system from a reputable vendor. According to Sitende 2012, an organization using the off-the-shelf method to obtain a software package must pay the licensing fee along with installation and staff training. Chosen approach, hybrid solution. Purchasing an off-the-shelf solution that meets most requirements would be cost-effective while integrating the in-house customized modules to promote unique features to adapt to evolving demands. A system in-house would possess functionalities that are unavailable in the off-the-shelf systems, providing the company with a competitive advantage. Gupta et al. 2021. For enhanced security, an off-the-shelf system from a highly reputable vendor would have already been tested and updated by IT security professionals. However, in an in-house solution, for additional security, measures and data breach prevention can be adopted. According to DataBank 2024, banks must implement robust encryption, intrusion detection systems, and multi-factor authentication to safeguard against breaches. According to Gupta et al. 2021, SDLC defines distinct activities of the framework that will be administered during software development. There are 7 stages as follows. Planning. This is the foundation of SDLC, focusing on defining the system's goals and fostering effective team collaboration. Gupta et al. 2021 states that crucial results of this phase include quality assurance requirements, risk identifications, and feasibility reports. In the analysis phase, information is gathered from the bank stakeholders that will help the team to identify gaps and relevant functionalities for the new system. The design phase involves constructing the system's framework, including its engineering functionalities, and this gives the IT team a blueprint to design a detailed software such as databases and user interface. In the implementation phase, coding takes place to develop the new software. Moreover, testing examines the software for overlooked or potential bugs, glitches, and other vulnerabilities, promoting a robust system. Deployment involves launching the system to its end users, where it can begin to fulfill its goals, along with training sessions to operate it. And finally, the maintenance phase adapts to the changing needs of the software based on the user feedbacks and the evolving requirements. Potential benefits are clearly structure, budget control, resource allocation, improved system quality. Potential drawbacks, not flexible, time-consuming, and have challenges with integration testing. According to Simeni et al. 2025, in today's digital landscape, quality assurance is a critical determinant of a company's reputation, dependability, and overall success. Let's look at how it should be incorporated. Unit testing involves inspecting the system's components individually to see if they function properly, such as loan management and compliance reporting. This reduces risk and ensures that the new system is reliable and a trustworthy banking platform. Moreover, integration testing explores if the various software components of the system interact correctly and detects the potential flaws. CariBank can test the mobile banking operations with the core banking system. It should also confirm if loan management operations securely share data with other components like identification verification services and credit bureaus. Furthermore, the user acceptance testing. This stage allows the end users to evaluate the system and ensure that its objectives are met using real-world scenarios. Carib Bank can involve its employees from among the various branches to execute the system. This includes processing a customer's deposit from Antigua or perhaps applying for a student loan in Barbados. This would validate if the new system works accurately and supports the daily operations before deployment. Additionally, stress testing pushes the system to work on extreme conditions to determine if it can handle uncertain circumstances. There are several challenges of regional banking regulations. However, we will explore how money laundering and cybercrimes can be alleviated. To combat money laundering and financial terrorism, Carib Bank should incorporate the anti-money laundering or the AML program with the KYC and the CDD standards to verify customers' identities and detect any suspicious activity. Carib Bank can check customers' names against government and international sanction lists using sanction screening databases. Errors can be documented and staff can be trained effectively to combat money laundering. To prevent cyber attacks, Carib Bank can deploy intrusion detection to block malicious activities. To avoid unauthorized access, a multi-factor authentication program can be developed, and in the case of security breaches, the bank can deploy an incident response plan. Also, integrating regular security and penetrating testing can locate vulnerabilities that should be fixed before the systems launch. Natural hazards, damaged submarine cables, bandwidth limitations, and power outages are issues that hinder internet reliability for banking systems. Software developers among regional nations can encounter delays when collaborating and sharing updates on the system's coding. These are time-consuming when deploying to various locations. Moreover, due to high energy consumption, data centers can generate significant heat that strains their infrastructure. Also, the banking industry faces a growing pressure to adopt sustainability practices. My recommendation is a hybrid model that incorporates the traditional and agile SDLC approaches. To justify my chosen model, HOSE 2023 states that the hybrid models are increasingly popular, allowing organizations to tailor their project management approaches to meet their unique challenges. Traditional approach would focus on the core banking system and the strict and fixed functions. This includes transaction processing, creating types of accounts, adhering to the AML framework, security authentication architecture, and database for managing customer data and transaction. The agile approach focuses on user expectations and market demands, which promote competitiveness and aligns the software with Carib Bank's strategic goals. HOSE 2023 defines the agile approach as a software development characterized by its flexibility and iterative nature. This includes upgrading the loan management and mobile banking operations, online portals, business intelligence for managers, and security breach measures. Miller 2020 defines change management as a process of guiding organizational change to fruition from the earliest stages of conception and preparation through implementation and finally to resolution. A tailored change management should be implemented considering the challenges of the Caribbean banking environment. Leaders at the bank can communicate with employees to acknowledge the bank's vision as a team, promoting motivation and awareness while preventing employee turnover. This is supported by Avi et al. 2008, who stated that transformational leaders empower their members, reducing the urge to quit. Regional branch employees can train at workshops, which reduces the resistance and fosters teamwork. Furthermore, Carib Bank should implement a hybrid cloud-based solution that consists of both on-premises and cloud-based services. This would provide Carib Bank with the optimal control over data and security while utilizing the cloud for certain applications, artificial intelligence, or AI tools, such as chatbots and scalability initiatives. Thank you.